How to install LokLok on iPhone and Android using App Store and Play Store. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the LokLok app on both iPhone and Android using the official App Store and Play Store. Let's get started. Section 1. Android. First, let's install LokLok on an Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Step 2. In the search bar, type LokLok Draw on a Lock Screen. When you see the app with the correct icon, tap on it. Then tap Install and wait for the app to download. Once it's installed, open LokLok and allow any necessary permissions. That's it! Section 2. iPhone. Now let's install LokLok on an iPhone. Step 1. Open the App Store. Step 2. In the search bar, type LokLok Draw on Lock Screen. Find the correct app and tap the Get button. Then tap Install. And once the download finishes, open the app. Follow the on-screen instructions and you're ready to use LokLok on your iPhone. Outro. And that's how you install LokLok safely using the official app stores. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.